Today on Crypto Win Rate, I'm going to show you how to withdraw crypto from the Coinw centralized exchange. Before we get started, I recommend you create a new account with the link below this video. Using the link applies this referral code, which makes you eligible for sign-up bonuses. These are special bonuses just for our viewers, so if you want to be eligible for these rewards, use the link in the video description to create your account. To withdraw from Coinw, the first thing you need to do is make sure you are KYC verified. I made a video on how to create an account and do KYC verification via Coinw, so I'll leave a link to that in the description. Once you've done that, you can head over to wallets. We can see that I have about 51.2 USDC in my wallet. I'm going to withdraw that. We are going to select the cryptocurrency, which is USDC. Next, we are going to select the network we are withdrawing the USDC on. We can see the different networks and the fees. We are going to withdraw on the base network. For the withdrawal address, we are withdrawing our funds to our Blowfin account. So let's head to Blowfin so we can get the address. In our Blowfin account, we could head up to our assets, go to deposit, select the same crypto that we chose on Coinw, so USDC, match up the network as well, so the base network, and we can see we have our USDC deposit address, so let's copy that, and on Coinw, go to add address, paste the Blowfin deposit address here, and then for source, click on Blowfin, and then submit. Next, we have to just quickly do a security verification. So put in your trading password, confirm, and now we've successfully added the address. So we can now just, under withdrawal address, click on our Blowfin base deposit address here. For the withdrawal amount, we are withdrawing the full amount. We can see there is a 50-cent fee, so we will be receiving 50.7 USDC in our Blowfin account. Next, we can click withdraw. We want to quickly review the details, make sure that the network, token, and address all match up with our Blowfin deposit address. If there is a mistake, we do have a potential to lose funds in the withdrawal process. Once we've confirmed all the details, we can click submit. Again, put in our trading password, confirm, and we have successfully submitted our withdrawal request. We'll pick the video back up when our funds have arrived in our Blowfin account. In the Blowfin deposit section, we can see that our USDC has arrived. It arrived at 15:14:30, so it took about 2 minutes and 30 seconds for our assets to be withdrawn from Coinw and deposited into Blowfin. We use Blowfin for this tutorial because they don't require KYC. If you want to follow this video step by step, I recommend you check out Blowfin. When you click the link in the video description to sign up on Blowfin, you'll receive 10% cash back on your trading fees and additional bonuses. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We also have a website at cryptowinrate.com where we have lots of crypto content and tons of educational guides for you to sift through. I appreciate your time, and bye for now.